Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Goan-style pork vindaloo. We start by preparing the pork. Cut about 1.5 pounds of pork into 1-inch cubes. Then, create a vibrant marinade using a 1/4 cup of vinegar, red chili powder, turmeric, and ginger garlic paste. This crucial step allows the flavors to deeply penetrate the meat. Marinate the pork for a minimum of 2 hours, or ideally, overnight in the refrigerator for the best results. Next, we'll craft the essential vindaloo paste. Begin by dry roasting whole spices such as 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 4 cloves, and a 1-inch piece of cinnamon stick until they become wonderfully fragrant. Then, combine these roasted spices with about 6 to 8 dried red chilies, 1/2 teaspoon of black peppercorns, and a splash of vinegar. Grind everything into a smooth, rich paste, which will infuse our dish with its signature Goan flavor. Now let's cook our vindaloo. In a heavy-bottomed pot, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Add the marinated pork and brown it on all sides for about 5 minutes. Then, stir in the freshly ground vindaloo paste, cooking it with the pork for another 5 to 7 minutes until fragrant. Pour in 1 cup of water, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, and cover. Let it cook for 45 to 60 minutes, or until the pork is wonderfully tender. To finish, taste your vindaloo and adjust the seasoning with salt or a little extra vinegar if desired, ensuring a perfect balance of flavors. For the best taste, allow the vindaloo to rest off the heat for at least 30 minutes. This resting period truly deepens and melds all the wonderful spices. Serve your delicious Goan pork vindaloo hot with fluffy steamed rice, traditional Goan bread, or warm chapatis for a truly authentic and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.